Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your AC model and whether it accepts IR or RF commands because the method differs. Once done, insert fresh batteries into the remote and verify the emitter with a phone camera so you know signals emit. Next, power the unit on manually and set fan low and temperature to about 22 degrees so the unit is responsive. Now you are ready to put the remote and AC into pairing or learning mode. Follow the specific sequence for your brand. You now perform the actual pairing. Enter the AC's and remote's pairing or learning mode by holding the designated buttons for the specified 3-10 seconds. This creates a handshake. Make sure you are within 1-2 m and that nothing blocks the signal. RF tolerates more distance, IR needs line of sight. Once paired, configure essential functions. Set mode, fan speed, swing, and timers so the unit responds predictably. Test every command sequentially so you confirm full control. You finish by saving the configuration, and if the remote supports profiles, bind it to your preferred settings so it recalls them. Once saved, run a final check of all modes and timers to ensure consistency. If something fails, reinsert fresh batteries and repeat the same pairing sequence. Many issues are simply timing or distance related. Finally, if IR keeps failing because of obstacles, consider an RF remote or a Wi-Fi adapter for remote control. This change fixes line of sight limitations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.